Welcome to the plant house. Today I am going to show you how I further propagate one of my aloe vera tub with a lot of offsets in it. In this summer I did that. Watch the full video till the end. First of all, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Here you can see is the full grown aloe vera tub, and as you can see the tub is almost filled with baby aloe veras. So the mother plant cannot further propagate in it, cannot generate new offsets in this pot until I refresh this pot. Now I have to uproot the plant safely with these small tiny offsets so that no offsets or pups get hurt in this process. So that's why I am losing out the soil around. আমি চারপাশ থেকে মাটিটাকে প্রথমে একটু খুশে নিচ্ছি, then I will try to uproot very properly. At last, after losing the soil, now I can uproot it. So I will use this one and uproot the plant completely. Aloe vera separation has a unique process. You cannot just randomly pull then separate. I have to separate those offsets rightly so that I can propagate them further. The process is that when you do separation, try not to break any offsets without their root. Root must be intact with those baby offsets. That would help for quick propagation in future. The mother plant 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are all offsets. Now I can pot them to grow and propagate properly. Root trimming, you should also do it at the time of repotting. That would help to generate new root faster rate. This is the old pot. I am going to implant the big mother aloe in this pot again through breeding tub technique or in this live format, so that in future it can serve me with more offsets, more baby offsets, as this aloe is capable to generate new offsets or pup at this stage of time. For another one, the soil mixture. This is a loose sandy medium. Old sand, dust, dry wooden dust, leaf dust mixed in this medium, and time to transplant the medium into the pot. I'm gonna implant this small one in this very small pot. This is one of the medium sized aloe vera I have separated. I'm gonna propagate this one in this tub, and I am using some growing medium at the surface. So there are 4 I propagate today, and these aloes still I have, and one by one I am gonna propagate them. Not now though. Oh wait, I have a coconut husk. I can propagate one of the tiny one, this one, in this coconut husk. At last, generally time to water thoroughly. As a reminder, I am telling you that water is one of the main ingredient in this full summer for their proper growth. So later I am gonna propagate them one by one, not now. These are the plants ready to propagate further in my aloe vera garden. Now nearly 12 days later, I am taking this shot again, and you can see directly the mother plant that I implanted through breeding tub technique. It has already generates again 4 new offsets. That's a bit of a good sign, right? This one also in the good condition and growing well too. So for today I am here ending the video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching the plant house and don't forget to like and please subscribe my channel.